Hi, God. Thanks for the shine. Hello, people. I'm one of the people, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get into this notice and knock it out real quick. All right, here we go. To all public servants. What is a public servant, okay? A public servant is any political entity or any corporate entity or any business entity that falls under the jurisdiction of the Constitution, okay? You know, that's a public servant, and that's what's up, man. So this one's going out to you guys, all right? Check this out. Witness. What is a witness? A witness is any man or any woman that is hearing the words that we're laying down right now, also called the people. You're the witness, man, and we're putting this one out there for you too, okay? So check this out. Let's go. Public notice of the people's inherent rights. Notice to agent is notice to principal, and notice to principal is notice to agent. Man, we love that opening. All right, here we go. I, one of the people of God. That's me in the 50 American states. That's me again, as seen in Genesis 1:2-6 KJV. That's what's up. And Article 2, Section 1 of the California State Constitution. Republican in form, sui juris. Am serving you with this notice so that you and your agents may provide immediate due care, okay? Check this out. Please take notice that the people have a duty and obligation, right? And obligation. I always get tongue-tied with that. To preserve the blessings and liberty of good government, okay? See evidence below. Maxim of law, 51Q. A frequent recurrence to fundamental principles and a firm adherence to justice, virtue, and original law are indispensably necessary to preserve the blessings of liberty and good government, okay? You know, that's that duty and obligation, man. All right, check this out. Please take notice that the people's trial by jury shall not be violated, okay? Repeat. Please take notice that the people's trial by jury shall not be violated. See evidence below. California Constitution, Article 1, Section 16, or 1-6 for 16, text of Section 16. Check this out. Trial by jury is an inviolate right and shall be secured to all. But in a civil cause, 3/4 of the jury may render a verdict, okay? A jury may be waived in a criminal cause by the consent of both parties expressed in open court. These are key words. By the defendant and the defendant's counsel. In a civil cause, a jury may be waived by the consent of the parties expressed as prescribed by statute, okay? Keep it going, right? In civil causes, the jury shall consist of 12 persons. Remember that a person is a mask, right? Or a lesser number agreed on by the parties in open court. In civil causes other than causes within the appellate jurisdiction of the Court of Appeal, the legislature may provide that the jury shall consist of 8 persons, remember, or a lesser number agreed on by the parties in open court, okay? Let's keep it going. In criminal actions in which a felony, that's an evildoer, is charged, the jury shall consist of 12 persons. These are key words. In criminal actions in which a misdemeanor is charged, the jury shall consist of 12 persons or a lesser number agreed on by the parties in open court, okay? Remember, a person's not a people. All right, we're going to show you some PCAPs. All right, check this out. People. People is men and women, nation, body of citizens, Populonia, Juno, she who protects, army, man, we love that. So the people is God's army, man, that's what's up. All right, let's keep it going. Trial. Try is examine, discover, test, try error, right? You know, to pick out, cull, choose, select, collect. Okay, that's what trial is. Try. Jury, jurist is, we love this one, a right, authority, ious, eos, from sacred formula, okay? From YEWES, yes, is law, okay? So the jury is the law. Remember that, man. That's what's up, okay? All right, let's keep it going. Inviolate, right? We love this one too. Inviolate is unbroken, unhurt, okay? In is not, okay? Opposite of, okay? Violation. Violation, VIS is viz for strength, force, power, energy. WEIE, we IE, right, means to go after, pursue with vigor, desire, okay? So you can't violate the people, man. Remember that, all right? That's what's up. All right, let's keep it going. Right. Right is just, good, fair, lawful, from REG, which means reg, right? We love the reg, man, which means move in straight line, right? That's why we're always trying to put our public servants in reg, okay? All right, that's our right. All right, check this out. Person is an individual, a human being, a mask, right? A false face, PHERSU, fedesu, which means mask, man. So remember, a person is not a people, and a people is not a person, right? You know, you see that? And also, nowhere in here does it say the people, okay? These are all the masks of the people, man. So remember that. You can't violate the people's rights, man. And if you ever want to take the people into a court, right, it better be a jury trial, right? If there's no jury trial and you weren't given this information, I think you may have been violated. All right, let's keep it going. All right. Please take notice that it is a crime to deprive the people of rights under the color of law, okay? We're just showing you what's up. All right, check this out. Maxim of law 92 AA for alpha alpha. We love this one, right? The deprivation of any rights may be punished, man. Remember that, period, the end. Go back up there and look at that. Look at that Constitution. Look at that section. All right, check this out. Title 1.8, you know, we're going to get into some attorney talk, right? Because they're always trying to turn you, right? USC, section 242, all right? Whoever under color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom willfully subjects any person, keyword, in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or district to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States, key fact, jury trial shall not be violated, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 1 year or both, and if bodily injury results, I almost messed up, from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include the use, attempted use, or threatened use of a dangerous weapon. Okay, if you got a pew-pew and you're telling the people that they got to get down and you got to lock them up, that's a dangerous weapon. Explosives or fire shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 10 years. We're going to stretch it out, or both, and if death results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include kidnapping. Okay, so if you're locked up behind bars, right, because they didn't tell you what you are, they didn't tell you you were one of the people, and they called you a person and then they locked you up, that's called kidnapping, okay? Or an attempt to kidnap, aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to commit aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to kill shall be fined under this title or imprisoned for any term of years or for life or both, or may be sentenced to death, man. We'll make you go bye-bye, man. So focus on that word kidnapping, man. You know, it just doesn't mean little people. This means big people too. All right, let's keep it going. This notice is sent to you in peace and with the love of Christ. Thank you, Christ. We love you. So that you may provide due care to those who have all political power, the people. Okay, we, the people, love you, seriously. And we wish for you to do good, seriously. We want you to be the best and the brightest, man. We want you to shine. All right, here, look at this. It's coming from Alec. That's me. Man of God, that's what I do. Servant of Christ, that's who I follow. Then we got that date. Then we got by God we serve with love, man. Okay, you know, so hopefully this will give you back your jury, right? You know, if you're one of the people and you understand these words, you get to always have a trial by jury, man, period, the end, okay? So let's go ahead and hop on this next bit. We love this one. How are we doing on time? We're cool on time. Right, we got God's love story. We love this one. Woe to Pharisees and experts in the law. Luke 11:52. Okay, King James Version, look at this. Maxim of God 52. Right, this is why we're always talking to the lawyers. We're showing you knowledge. Woe unto you lawyers, right? For ye have taken away the key of knowledge. Ye entered not in yourselves, that's a fact, and them, meaning the people that were entering in, ye hindered, okay? Whenever you call the people a person, you're hindering them, all right? Check this out. Woe-wah. Woe-wah is misery, suffering. That's a no-no, okay? Lawyer. Lawyer is interpreter of Mosaic law, okay? That's the word of God, man. That's what's up. Then then you got that sage, then you got that wise man, then you got that advisor, then you got that counselor, right? Then you have LEGH, which means to lie down, right? Lay, right? So we're always laying down the words for you so you can see the law, because that's what we do, because in the beginning was the Word, and the Word is God, and God is the law, man. God gave us the law, period, the end, okay? That's that key, and this is what key is. Key is K-I, to cleave, split, okay? God divided us between light and dark. That's what's up. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth, period, the end, man. All right, check this out. And light and dark, right? Knowledge, know is G-N-O, to understand, perceive. I hope you can see these words, man. We're giving you your vision back, okay? Enter is between, among, in, okay? That's what's up, right? Let's enter in something, right? Hinder or hinder is to harm. Injure, that's a no-no, okay? Hinder, which means back or rear end, okay? So that's why we always say God has us covered, right? We don't need you to have our back. We just need you to walk with us, okay? That's it, man. All right, so check out this last bit, man. We love this one right here. This is our one mission, to protect the children for now and on forever, okay? Remember that. That's our Christ mission, right? Foundation, facts. Ready? Here we go. Order of God's world, go. Right? God created everything. Remember this, okay? Jesus Christ is God who died for all people's sins. Remember this, okay? God created man, woman, child, people. Remember this, okay? Right? We love this one too, right? God gave man dominion over all of the earth, okay? Remember this, okay? Right? Then you got man, then you got woman, then you got child. That's called the people, and the people are boss, okay? Remember this, okay? And then the people. Okay, what's up, people? The people create constitutions. Remember this, okay? We're done, right? So check this out, right? We did our bit, we did our duty, and we did our obligation. We read the notice to all public servants, right? So if you're an attorney out there and you've heard the words that we've just showed you, right? You've been notified and you have the knowledge, right? And you know now that the people's right to trial by jury shall not be violated, right? The people's person's right to trial by jury shall not be violated, man. Period, the end, man. So that's that public notice of the people's inherent rights, right? Notice to agent is notice to principal, and notice to principal is notice to agent. So we're done. We're going to put this together. We're going to upload it, and we're going to see how it flows, man. Remember, nobody's having more fun than us. Bye.